I have a Idylis deep freezer. It stopped freezing. When I plug it in, I hear a click from the relay, but the compressor does nothing. I replace the relay and it still just clicks, then nothing. What do you suggest my next step be? Thankyou Mat.
Do you know the model of your Idylis freezer? How old is it?
Just a second.
How long has this been going on with your Idylis freezer? What have you tried so far?
IF71CM33NW. It's only 4 years old.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, I'm just wondering if there is anything else I should test before replacing my compressor.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. If the compressor is getting voltage but not coming on, then there is an issue with the reversing valve in the refrigeration system, and in that case, to correctly repair it, you would have to remove the refrigerant and repair the valve. Unfortunately, if that is the case, the only cost-effective repair might be to tap the components with a rubber mallet.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.